Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can create a landing page by using System.io. So first, go to your browser and search for System.io. Then click on this link. Now as you can see here, it's free forever. It didn't require any credit card. So now all you have to do is type your email right here and click here. Now answer these questions and verify your phone number. Then they will send you a verification email to your email account, so go to your email and click that link. Once you click the link, it will get you to this dashboard. This is our home page. Now go to Sites and click on Sales Funnel. Then click on Create. Now write the name of your funnel. Let's just say Free Book. Now it will give you a default funnel domain, but you can change it if you want. Now set your funnel goal on Build an Audience and choose your currency. Let's choose US dollar. Now click Save. Now click on your funnel to get into the page. Once you are in this page, make sure that you are in the squeeze page. Now you can choose any template you want, so let's just choose one template. Click on Select. Now name your squeeze page. Then click on this Edit Page button. Now you can customize this page as you want. There is an element and a block menu so you can insert any text, edit any text, or you can also enter or add any media, images, videos, and you can also edit buttons. So let's just edit our page. Once you edit it successfully, click on the Save button. Now go back to your funnel page and let's create a thank you page. Once again, choose the template you want and click on Select. Then name your template and click on the Edit button. Then edit the page as you want and click on Save. Now once again, go to your funnel page. Now to see your new website or landing page, all you have to do is click on this View Final button. Now as you can see, we created our landing page successfully. If you want to create this type of stunning landing pages, you can get the link in the description down below. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.